Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Optimization Guy over here, where we turn complex data and decision problems into clear and optimized solution. My name is Prasad, and after spending of years working on optimization in real world system, from supply chain to AI driven decision model, I have realized something powerful. The best data scientists aren't just good at machine learning, they are good at optimization as well. So, in today's video, I'll show you how learning mathematical optimization can transform your data science career from building predictive models to making intelligence automated decisions that actually impact the business outcome. So, let's deep dive right now. So you are watching Optimization Guy. I have spent years solving a real world decision problem using math, data and algorithm. So today I will show you how mathematical optimization can make you smarter data scientist, not just predicting but deciding the real world business scenario as well. So stay tuned and let's begin with our first slide. So So everyone wants to be a data scientist. We learn Python, we learn Pandas and machine learning as well. But after a while, something feels off. You can predict things like demand, price and trends. Yet your model rarely influences the real business decision. Here's the truth. Data science predicts and optimization decides the things. And if you master the both of these things and step into the data science field, then starting from now on, so you will be called as a decision scientist, and you will have a real world impact on a particular field which caused the transformation. So let's start. So here is the simple problem that will help you out how this will be going to work out. So machine learning model predicts the tomorrow demand each product. So great. Now you know what might happen, but how many units should you produce? So that's the thing you need to understand. Once your able algorithm predicts the things, then you have to decide uh, how much resources you want to allocate to achieve that goal. So in that scenario, your optimization comes in. So best companies like Amazon, Uber, Netflix don't just rely on prediction. They use optimization as well, because prediction will give you like a broader explanation, like what will your sales in the next 3 or 4 months. But how would you optimize your current resources according to that demand, that future predicted demand? So you have to scale up and you have to optimize your current resources to achieve that goal. So here is the basic example that you got. So 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 here you are seeing the diagram of a feasible region, non-feasible region. This is the technical term. So for this introduction video, that you don't have to consider this technical terms. I will bring more videos on this topic as well. So prediction, what might happen next? Optimization, what to do about it? So optimization is a smarter decision from a data. Like you have a data that you got, you will predict that data from a particular cell, like independent and dependent variable. From the prediction, you will decide on which factor you have to scale up. So how will you analyze that thing, and how will you make a decision based on your predicted data? So in that part, you comes in mathematical optimization to optimize your current resources according to your predicted data. Basically, you want to maximize your profit based on that prediction. You just not want to waste your resources. So here are some use cases you are saying, like truck route, shortest route. So once the truck uh, going from the one depot and going to each and every customer to deliver the goods that they require, like this is also decision, like how many sales you are predicting and how many new customers you are getting. So you want to satisfy all those customers with your current resources, available resources. How we are going to do that? So that in that part comes in this shortest route path algorithm. Like there are different kinds of algorithm. So basically there is one problem called as a TSP problem, like traveling salesman problem, where vehicle going out from one depot to each and every customer and coming back to the depot itself. So it will reduce the time and it will maximize the profit of the organization, as well as building the trust between the client and organization. As you know, in airline scheduling problem, like there are there are many planes and they have to allocate uh, passengers according to the capacity of the plane, and they have to manage those things, like how much uh, how much passengers are coming to the plane, and how we are managing the airplane crew as well to satisfy their demand. Like that you can use optimization in that scenario as well. Basically, this basically in airline industry, there is a rotational based service you have to provide. Yeah, there are some time limits that uh, each air hostess or pilot, they have to board the different planes and they have to take some plenty amount of rest. So those things comes under this optimization as well. So this thing is like a human driven intelligence. You can't do anything, you can't predict like how much time each pilot will taking and how much time each crew member will take. So here you have some consideration, you have some penalty. Based on that, you will get some good result. In hospital planner also, like nurse and doctor assignment, like how much nurse to allocate to how many pa- patients, like critically wounded patient, normal patient, and minimal attention requiring this patient. So based on that you can segregate your uh, much experienced staff and less experienced staff according to the need of a patient. So that's where your optimization model comes in for scheduling these sisters and doctor as well. Data science plus optimization is equals to the intelligent automation. So basically what you are doing, you are like optimizing and you are like automizing your current process. This is kind of automation. First you will predict the data. Based on that prediction, like there are different algorithms in the market, like regression model. Basically lot of the companies use regression model, XGBoost model. Lot of companies use that. Based on the prediction, you will try to solve that data and get the output, and that output will become an input for your optimization model. So from the output you will try to build some logic, some algorithm to solve that particular problem, and according to your current resources, like there are the fixed number of nurses you have. If you considering the hospital planner problem, you have a fixed number of vehicles in your depot itself. So according to that you have to use your resources optimally. Like you have to optimize your all resources, and you have to bring your cost as minimum as possible and satisfy each and every customer as maximum as possible. So here are some trade-off between profit and serviceability of your customer. So the roadmap for to learn the optimization is like basic things. First, we will jump into the basic things like learning linear programming problem, integer programming problem, MILP, like that. So I will be going through this topic, the topic in each and every day. If you have any kind of a doubt, you can ask me. And next thing is practicing. So practicing this optimization thing is really important. So there are many multiple tools you can use to practice the optimization, to practice the mathematical optimization. So basically I will recommend these three tools that you can use. First one is PUIT pulp. So this is the Python library you can use for linear optimization. And next one is pymo. It is also good library in Python you can use. And third one is a groovipy. So groovipy is a strong tool to solve mathematical optimization. Basically it uses a branch and bound with cutting primal algorithm. So it is the complex part. So I will be going through each and every algorithm in our next upcoming videos. So and third one is like real-time project. So you have to practice these things through the industry level project. So I will be also uploading some project also, so where you can understand how this optimization is going to work. So first, ML prediction. So you have to predict from your current data, and that predicted data will become the input for your optimization model for the like demand forecasting and production planning model. And next one is like advanced concepts. So here you will deep dive into some advanced topics that are related with the optimization, like convex optimization, reinforcement learning, stochastic programming. So this thing is advanced part, and it will make your model more realistic, more problem solving, and make it very uh, beneficial for your organization and your academical project. So here is the thing: predict, decide, then optimize. So this is the our motto of this channel. So next, model your first optimization problem in Python. So I will be making more videos in this regard. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel and subscribe for more information. So I will be going to making much more videos on data science, different kind of algorithm that use in data science, and how it will be beneficial for your optimization journey. And also I will be going through the mathematical optimization also. So stay tuned. If you like me to convey you in different language like Hindi and Marathi, I can do that as well. So just in my comment in my channel. So I will try to make that videos as well. Thank you so much.